In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a Woocommerce order. Let's imagine you've just received an order on your Woocommerce site, but due to some unforeseen circumstances, you need to cancel it. Maybe the product ran out of stock, or perhaps the customer changed their mind. Whatever the reason, cancelling an order is a common task for any online store owner, and it's important to know how to do it correctly to maintain good customer service and manage your inventory effectively. First and foremost, you'll need to log into your WordPress website. The WordPress dashboard is essentially the control room of your site, where you can manage everything from content to WooCommerce orders. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't done so already. Next, you'll want to navigate to the orders section of your site. Look for a tab or an option on your dashboard that says Woocommerce. Hovering over this will display a drop-down menu. Click on orders from this menu. This action will take you to a page that lists all the orders your store has received. It's a useful place to get an overview of what's happening with your sales at any given moment. Now, to find the order you wish to cancel, orders are typically listed in chronological order, with the most recent at the top. But if you're looking for a specific order, you can use the search function to make things easier. Each order will have a status next to it, such as pending, completed, or on hold. Once you locate the order you need to cancel, click on it to view more details. This will take you to an order-specific page where you can see all the details regarding that particular purchase, including the customer's information, items ordered, and the total cost. Here's where the cancellation actually happens. Within the order details page, you should see a drop-down menu or a set of options that allows you to change the status of the order. Look for the option that says cancelled and select it. Changing an order's status to cancelled will essentially nullify the transaction. It's a straightforward step, but an important one. After you've selected the cancelled status, the last step is to make sure your changes are saved. There should be an update button or similar on the page. Click this button to save the new status of the order. This action is crucial because if you navigate away from the page without updating, the order status will remain unchanged and it will not be cancelled. And that's it. You've successfully cancelled an order on your WooCommerce site. Remember, communication with your customer is key in situations like this. It's always best practice to notify them of the cancellation and provide any necessary details or next steps, especially if a refund is involved. Cancelling an order might seem like a negative action at first, but it's a part of running an online store. How you handle these situations can really make a difference in your business reputation and customer satisfaction. It demonstrates professionalism, attention to customer needs, and a reliable order management system. Always ensure your inventory is updated following a cancellation, and if the cancellation was due to a product being out of stock, take measures to update your website accordingly. This helps prevent future cancellations for the same reason and ensures a smoother shopping experience for your customers. Now, while this video specifically covers cancelling an order within WooCommerce, the skills you've learned today regarding navigation and order management on WordPress can be applied in various other aspects of managing your online store. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to cancel a WooCommerce order. Whether you're new to WooCommerce or have been using it for some time, understanding how to efficiently manage orders, including cancellations, is essential for maintaining a successful e-commerce business. Remember, practice makes perfect. Navigating through your WordPress dashboard and managing orders will become second nature over time. And as always, keeping a keen eye on customer satisfaction through communication and efficient management will help your online business thrive. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more tips on managing your WooCommerce store. Until next time, happy selling.